welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys this look here. It's very simple and easy but glam at the same time, and we paired it with a really nice dark lip. And I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Tribe palette for this video. So yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel already if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you happen to enjoy it. Comment down below, let me know if you guys have any Juvia's Place palettes and which ones you have. And then make sure you follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I am on Instagram as well as Twitter. So without further ado, let's get to this video.
Alright you guys, so lids are prepped with the loose base and brows are ABH. I believe it was brow definer I used. So we're gonna go in with Juvia's Place Tribe palette, and the first shade that I'm gonna be using is called Tootsie. It's the medium green that's in the palette. It's such a pretty color. Like, all the greens in the palette are just so beautiful. So I go in with that shade first, and you guys know me, I just start off with a little bit and then build it up. And I'm doing somewhat of a circular shape, but not like completely circular. And then the next shade I'm gonna go in after this one. So just gonna blend out the edges a little bit. It's called the side. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. But yeah, I go in with that shade and then I start blending out the edges. So once I have those two shades how I want them to be, I'm going to go in with the last blending shade, and this is called Aurora. And this one is like a peachy, orangey type of color. It's super pretty. Mixing with the greens, it kind of looks a little yellow, but in the pan it isn't. So I go ahead and I just blend that up to the brow bone, and then as always I do go back and forth with the rest of the colors just to make sure that the pigmentation is there. Okay, so for the lid, I used Coral, which I just noticed right now is not it. I don't have the clip here, but I use that just on the main lid, and then I'm going with Cuba at the pretty much in the center of like where the outer corner is and that lid shade meets, just to kind of like blend, you know, all the shades and stuff like that together. And then, as always, what you do on the lid is what you're gonna do on the lower lash. So that's what you guys are gonna see next. Okay, so foundation, concealer, and all that stuff is done. I'm gonna go with ABH bronzer and saddle. I'm gonna use that to like bronze and contour. I've been loving this lately. It's just one of like the perfect shades for bronzing and contouring. I did put a little bit too much on the cheek at first, but it's cool. We're just gonna blend that out with a sponge later. And then I do go in with a blush. I forgot what's the name of the blush trio, but it is from ABH as well. It's the peach one. I do use that one, and then I also use the Aurora Glow Kit. You guys are gonna see that there. And then the last thing you guys are gonna see is lips. I use Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in Mudslide. Y'all already know. I got a coupon code. It's down below. If you want to use it, use it. If you don't, it's cool beans. And then I go in with Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in Karma, just to mix those together. And that's it. And the lashes I'll leave down below. They're from Midas Cosmetics. I just forgot the name, so I'll just leave all that stuff down below. So that's it. I know this voiceover sucks, but I'm super tired and I still have to get this out to you guys. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one.